Almost a repeat of yesterday's weather. We're stuck in the cloudy, cold weather today, a little bit of drizzle out there, and we have another freeze warning in effect for tonight. So a few places did get down below freezing this morning. Here in Weslaco, we made it down just below freezing, but not every place. But I think more places may see freezing weather either tonight or tomorrow night, as we still have 2 more nights that could dip below freezing. So again, we have a freeze warning tonight from midnight until 9 a.m. Freeze watch returns Wednesday night, so late tomorrow night could be another chance to dip below freezing. Then it does warm up. Highs could be back in the 70s by the weekend with warmer nights back in the 40s and 50s. So the coldest of weather will be long gone by then. Freeze warning again until 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. This begins at midnight tonight. So everywhere in South Texas under a freeze warning, meaning freezing temperatures may occur sometime during that time period, especially again late tonight. Temperatures right now are in the 30s. We're at 39 in Port Isabel, 35 in Weslaco, and 37 in Rio Grande City. And when you look at the lows tonight, maybe a little colder than last night. Some of this, again, like we talked about yesterday, is dependent on the cloud cover. We have a lot of clouds now, but they may break apart or kind of move out from west to east overnight. So probably your better chances to see freezing temperatures would be the farther west you are into the mid and upper valley, and lesser chances near the lower valley where the clouds may be last to clear out. But anyway, it's going to be cold. It's just maybe more likely to freeze the farther west you are. But you see lows tonight could range from about 29 in Rio Grande City to basically the low 30s. I don't think we're looking for widespread hard freezing conditions, but late tonight we could start to drop down to about 30 or 31 degrees in some areas through tomorrow morning. So it's cold and going to be cold and possibly freezing. Wind chill advisory is also in effect through tomorrow morning. Wind chill temperatures roughly in about the 22 to 30 degree range. That's the effect you feel on your exposed skin with the air moving across your skin. That doesn't mean that, you know, the wind chill temperature has nothing to do with your plants or anything freezing. It's just how cold it feels to you. So your plants won't freeze when the wind chill is below freezing. That's just the effect we feel as humans being exposed to a cold wind blowing on our skin. So air temperatures, though, could dip below freezing late tonight. The wind chill right now, though, if you've been outside, it is cold and breezy in some areas. Wind chill, how cold it feels, is in the 20s right now. Will probably be in that range most of this evening. So it will feel rather chilly. And if you're out there and you get a little bit of drizzle and get wet, it will feel colder. Satellite radar shows lots of clouds across the area. Notice when we zoom out, I'm going to zoom this map out a little bit. There are still a lot of clouds now, and there's no clearing line to the west yet, but it's expected to maybe break apart the clouds late tonight. If you look at future track, it does show clouds around through midnight. And you notice how the clouds on this map start to thin out a little bit to the west, and that could lead to some freezing temperatures coming in late tonight. You notice future track tries to clear out most of the clouds by around 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. So if that happens, there's a better chance to drop down below freezing late tonight toward tomorrow morning. So we're talking maybe 3 a.m. to about 7 a.m., maybe the coldest time period. But sunshine returns tomorrow. It's not going to be a very warm day, but with sunshine tomorrow, we could be back right around 50 degrees or so. And then Thursday, you notice we are clear and cold again in the morning. It's possible that late Wednesday night and Thursday morning, we could see another chance to dip down to around 30 or 31 degrees, just below freezing. So the first 1570 forecast, cold and sunny tomorrow, but you notice the freezing potential is there late tonight and tomorrow morning, and then maybe again in spots on Thursday morning with a clear, cold morning. But then Thursday, we come back with sunshine and near 60 degrees. Mainly dry on Friday. There might be a sprinkle of the clouds thicking up, but near 63 on Friday, and then back in the 70s for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So we will be tracking the cold weather still for 2 more nights coming up, and your first 1-5 forecast again. Carrie?